Welcome to Srilata Organic Farming. Let us see the below ground symptoms. For below ground symptoms, the roots, bulbs, corms are to be observed. Root galls is a below ground symptom. It could be a root knot nematode most of the times. The galls and warts, you can see the club root, potato wart, apple crown, root knot nematode. These are all the below ground symptoms. The root nodules of the pulses are different from the root knot nematode. The nodules, if you cut pink color, you can see. Rhizobium nodules easily detachable, but in case of root knot, the knots cannot be removed easily. The nodules cannot be removed easily from the roots. They are deeply embedded, and pink color is not present. So root rots and abnormalities, if you see fungal root rot, nematode, nematode root lesions, overwatering is also a below ground symptom. Herbicide injury, it also appears in the roots. So banana root rot due to the nematode. You can see lesion nematode also expresses below ground. Fusarium root rot, bean dry root rot, turmeric root rot, these are all below ground symptoms. Root rot, onion bulb, nematode problem. So post harvest diseases, if you see, after harvesting also some diseases appear on the fruits and vegetables. Mostly here you are seeing on fruits. Alternaria rot, papaya, sarcospora, root rot. Sometimes powdery mildew also appears. And Diplodia stem end rot. Lime coletotrichum also we can see after harvest. Grapes, bird's eye, black rot is seen. Let us see the disease diagnosis in specific crops. In rice, so many spots are present. Blast, brown spot, stalk, narrow brown spot, bacterial leaf streak, red stripe, leaf blast also. You can see the symptom of leaf blast, brown spot lesion, which are oval shape. And sheath blight, sheath rot. The difference between sheath blight and sheath rot is sheath blight will not interfere with the panicle exertion, but sheath rot it stops the panicle exertion. In chili also you can see different spots like Sarcospora, Alternaria, bacteria. So the other symptoms are Coinophora blight, dieback, root rot, which are all in vegetable crops. Crucifers, if you see Alternaria spots, Sarcospora, Mycoplasma diseases also appear. Pseudomonas, here Pseudomonas means not the Pseudomonas fluorescens, other species of the Pseudomonas, which causes the small black spots on the leaves. Brinjal also you can see the leaf spots, irregular shaped leaf spots of the Alternaria, Sarcospora leaf spot also regular. Tomato, you can see early blight, which is on leaves and fruits, and late blight, mostly on the fruits. Wilt, various reasons for the wilt in the tomato: fusarium wilt, root knot, verticillium, virus, bacterial wilts you can find in the tomato. Brinjal also, wilt could be because of fusarium, bacterial, or verticillium. Wilt could be a fusarium wilt or verticillium wilt, but both are the fungal wilts. Banana, fungal wilts, bacterial wilts, burrowing nematodes also you can see in the banana. Tobacco, when it comes rhizoctonia, it is a major problem. Sarcospora leaf spots also you can see, Alternaria brown spot also, anthracnose also symptom in the tobacco. So differentiation of leaf spots, rhizoctonia, lesions with multiple alternating bands of light and dark brown, that is rhizoctonia leaf spot. Sarcospora, when it comes, lesions smaller than the target spot with outer borders dark and centers white, but they do not have multiple bands. So that is the difference between Rhizoctonia and Cercospora spots. Alternating bands are present in Rhizoctonia and no alternating bands in the Cercospora. Only dark and centric white, center white and dark surrounded by dark is the Cercospora. Tobacco, black shank affects the whole plant. Fusarium wilt one side, bacterial wilt one side, it affects. Mosaic diseases, if you see, tobacco mosaic virus and cucumber mosaic virus, the symptoms appear like this. Rose, if you see, black spots appear. Two hot conditions, fringed margin and black spots, infected leaves turn yellow. In the case of anthracnose, no occurrence, centers turn gray. So with this, most of the diseases we can identify with these sessions. Thank you. Signing off, Sri Lata.